Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on I-290 in the suburbs of Chicago. We're in the village of Maywood, and this part of the Eisenhower Expressway is known as the Avenues for the numbered avenues that cross the interstate, which count up westbound from 1st Avenue to 25th Avenue. There are exits at 1st, 9th, 17th, and 25th Avenues. Here, I-290 forms the dividing line between the villages of Broadview and Bellwood. Broadview to the left had a population of 7,998 as of the 2020 census. Broadview is home to a Bosch Automotive Aftermarket Division distribution center. To the right of the expressway is Bellwood with a population of 18,789. Consisting primarily of level prairie, the area now known as Bellwood was mainly farmland until the early 1890s when the first two subdivisions were established. The first subdivision attracted a handful of businesses, including several taverns. Tavern owners were the first to push for incorporation in response to Dry Maywood's attempt to annex the subdivision. The village of Bellwood was incorporated in 1900, taking the name of a second early subdivision. Now on the left is the village of Westchester, which had a population of 16,892 as of 2020. Original plans for the village were to develop it as an English-style town, so as a result, the town's name and the majority of the street names are of British origin. In Westchester is the protected 85-acre Wolf Road Prairie, the largest black soil prairie remnant east of the Mississippi River. We enter the village of Hillside, which had a population of 8,320 at the 2020 census. Land was purchased in 1833 to build the first hillside home, which is now the Mannheim Road landfill. The village was incorporated in 1905, and a village hall was built in 1919. Hillside was selected in the mid-1950s as the site of the first large regional shopping center in the Chicago suburban area. Opened in 1956, the Hillside Shopping Center has 67 stores, offering a variety of sales and services to the surrounding area. Keeping pace with modern trends, the center was transformed into a 471,000 square foot enclosed shopping mall in 1967 and received an attractive facelift in 1976. On the left at exit 15A ahead, we see the eastern terminus of I-88. Here, I-290 curves to the right, while the Chicago-Kansas City Expressway and Illinois Highway 110 jump onto I-88. I-290 becomes the Eisenhower extension here. This curve in the eastbound merge with I-88 is locally known as the Hillside Strangler. In the early 2000s, the interchange was being reconstructed, temporarily resulting in 7 lanes bottlenecking into 3. Causing heavy backups. For the next mile and a half, I-294, the Tri-State Tollway, runs parallel to but not concurrent with I-290. I-294 South is accessed by exit 15A, which we just passed, and I-294 North is accessed by exit 15B just ahead. Here, I-290 becomes the dividing line between the city of Elmhurst and the village of Berkeley. Berkeley on the right was incorporated in 1924 and today has a population of 5,338. Berkeley is separated from its nearest neighboring villages by interstate highways and a rail yard, allowing the village to maintain a small-town atmosphere. Berkeley is served by Metra's Union Pacific West Line, providing commuter access to Chicago. On the left is Elmhurst, which is mostly in DuPage County with an overlap into Cook County. The county line is just west of I-290. Elmhurst has a population of 45,786 as of the 2020 census. In 1845, the community was established as Cottage Hill when a post office was opened. The community changed its name to Elmhurst in 1869. The community was incorporated as a village in 1882 and as a city in 1910. Elmhurst Memorial Hospital was founded in 1926 as the first hospital in DuPage County. Elmhurst has had a Memorial Day parade annually since 1918. There's also a St. Patrick's Day parade that continues to be the third largest of its type in the Chicago area. The Keebler Company's corporate headquarters was in Elmhurst until 2001 when the Kellogg Company purchased the company. The city is home to the headquarters of Sunshine Biscuits and McMaster Car Supply Company. Famous Amos cookies are also distributed from Elmhurst. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the village of Addison with a population of 35,702 as of the 2020 census. Adventureland, an amusement park during the 1960s and 1970s, was located here. It was the largest amusement park in Illinois while it was open. We conclude today's video at mile marker 10. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.